Let's grow more food with advice from you. Come on. Now just checking on the potatoes we planted the other day. See how nicely they're rooting? They're going to be coming out of the ground here directly. For the last 4 years, every Saturday's been dedicated to you and what's going on in your garden. It's a really nice way that we can garden together. It's been a great way to inspire others, showcase awesome ideas, try out new things, and to answer viewer questions from time to time. Saturdays are one of my favorite days in the garden because I get to see what's going on in your garden. Let's take a look at what Mike and Linda are doing down in Zone 8. They've grown all through the winter. Now their zinnias and tomatoes are just about ready to go in for the spring. The onions are doing really well. And unlike me, if you want to pick a grocery sack full of spinach, Mike, that looks great. Thank you for sharing. I'm telling you, the viewers of this channel are simply amazing, and that's why we started the new segment, Come Garden With Me. If you've never grown anything before, I'm going to give you 3 or 4 seeds that you can grow. It's going to give you a lot of food. I'm going to plant along with you as advertised. If you haven't planted yet, you're still in fine shape. We'll only be a couple days apart. It's to motivate people that have never grown anything before in their lives. Just take a container, fill it with soil, put a seed in it, water it, and we'll grow along with you. We don't have anything yet, but we wouldn't expect anything. We'll grow together, we'll up pot, and then we'll harvest. It'll be fun. I hope you join me for that. Look at that. I thought we had some weeds coming up. We got a couple collards that germinated that we planted during the coldest part of the winter. That is amazing. Onions are doing okay. Talk about onions. Let's go on down to Florida and see what's going on in Bruce's garden. Bruce has had an abundance all winter long in his Florida deep mulch food forest. Maylin's been out here helping him harvest. Just look at that broccoli and the cauliflower. That is one fine bok choy leaf. You can never rest in a food forest. Bruce has around 2, 3, or 4, I've lost count. As long as you keep planting, you can keep growing. Bruce, your philosophy of flower where you root is inspiring. Thank you. When I asked if you wanted to learn more about mulch, I got a lot of positive reactions. So over the next week, I'll be releasing several episodes. We're gonna have to take this in chapters. I mean, the deep mulch works really well and it's pretty easy. All you do is throw it on the ground, but there's a lot more to it than that. As the weather gets warmer in your area and you start planting out your garden, I invite you to share with us. All you have to do is email me at waylandsmalley5@gmail.com. Guarantee all other gardeners would love to see what you're doing in your garden. And if you're a first-time gardener and you've got some seeds in a container, please let us know how they're doing. We would love to celebrate your success. And I look forward to harvesting with you. And I sure want to get out here and put potatoes in the ground. We'll probably do that tomorrow. Now we're itching to get these potatoes in containers, the rest of them in the ground. With some of these other starts, I'm going to wait a little bit. We got a couple cold nights coming up. That's why I haven't taken any of the bags off the garden. We're still going to need to protect things. You can do this too. And until next time, remember, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you.